if I told you that there's a strategy that can help you monetize your channel in less than 28 days? Yes, it is possible. Many creators have done it, and you can do it too. And this works best if you already have 500 to 1000 subscribers. And the best part, you only need one tool to make it happen, and that tool is ChatGPT. Now, I know many of you have heard about ChatGPT, or maybe you've used it for school, work, or just for fun. But after watching this, you are going to see ChatGPT in a completely different way, as your secret weapon to YouTube growth and monetization. This is Learn with Lydia, and on this channel we share smart YouTube growth tips to help you grow faster and easier. If you are seeing me for the first time, make sure you like this video and also subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out on more tips that can take your channel to the next level. What we are going to do next is to open your YouTube Studio dashboard. You can either do this on your computer or use your mobile phone. And for this case, I am going to be using my mobile phone. Once you open your YouTube dashboard, the desktop version on your phone looks like this. Then, come and click on Customization. Scroll down to Description. We are going to customize our description. Or rather, we are going to make our description SEO friendly. And this we are going to do with the help of ChatGPT. Now, let's minimize our channel dashboard and head over to ChatGPT. We are going to open ChatGPT. Then we are going to tell it what to do. This is what we have instructed ChatGPT to do. On my channel, I talk about business ideas and money. Can you give my channel a description with all the relevant keywords that can help my channel to easily get discovered if someone is to search for any of the keywords related to what my channel is about? Then click on Send. Just like that, ChatGPT is going to generate a keyword optimized description for you. What you need to do is to copy this description that ChatGPT has generated. Then we go back and paste it on our channel description. By doing this, if anyone searches for a topic related to your channel will pop up because the description is keyword rich. So we are going to select the description like this, then copy. After copying, we are going back to our channel description. Let's minimize ChatGPT and head back to our channel description. We are going to paste whatever we have copied from ChatGPT right here under our channel description. Like you can see, mine is already imputed. If in your case you do not have a description, you are going to come back to your channel under description here and paste whatever we have copied from ChatGPT. When we are done with the channel description, we are moving down to settings. Scroll down to settings right here. Once on settings, move down to channel. Here, make sure your channel has your country of residence, and also make sure your channel contains your keywords as well. If you want those SEO friendly keywords, we are going to go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write the best channel tags for our channel. With that said, we are going to minimize settings and go back to ChatGPT. This is what I have instructed ChatGPT to do again for my channel settings. And it goes, my channel is about business ideas and money. Can you give me relevant keywords that I can put under my channel settings and that can make my channel to be easily discovered? Give these keywords in a copy-paste format, each separated by comma. Include names of big characters in the same niche that I do. Let ChatGPT include those big names you are in the same niche with. And if you type it like this, it will give you all the relevant keywords. Then click on Send and let ChatGPT generate. Wow. ChatGPT will then generate these keyword tags like you can see for your settings. All you need to do is to click on copy and go back to our channel settings and paste them there. Select the text, then copy. Then we go back to our channel settings to go and paste them right there. Paste whatever we have copied from ChatGPT right here. Like you can see, for my case, mine are already imputed. If your case is different, paste those keyword tags right here. Once you paste the keywords we have generated from ChatGPT right here, it means that your channel is keyword optimized, and that if anybody searches for anything related to your channel will definitely pop up. This also helps YouTube to know exactly who to recommend your channel to. Then let's head straight to feature eligibility. Under feature eligibility, make sure all these features are all enabled. It is very important. All these small things you see we are fixing under the channel settings are the things that will make your channel to be SEO friendly. Let's move down to upload defaults. Under the upload defaults, make sure you set your visibility right here. Visibility is very important. You can either choose to leave it on private or unlisted, but not public. On the upload defaults, let's move to advanced settings. Here you can also fix a few little things if you have not done them, like categories that your video fall under. You can click here and choose the right category for your video, and then come to automatic dubbing. It automatically translates your audio tracks into different languages and adds them into your video. Make sure you turn it on because it will help your video to be dubbed into different languages. Let's say somebody is watching from Germany or Spain. They will automatically be able to watch that video in German or in Spanish, whichever country they are watching from. This setting is very important because it also helps with boosting your reach. After you have enabled the automatic dubbing, click on save right here and then your changes are made. Now, you are done with the settings and this is where things get serious. What you need to do in the first step is to create viral videos and try uploading every day or at least 3 times a week. If you stay consistent, within 1 month you are likely to land a viral video. And trust me, that one video can bring you subscribers and watch hours. Now, if you are wondering, how do I even create viral videos? The answer is simple. ChatGPT. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to give you viral video ideas for your channel. It will generate a whole list of ideas for you. You can even ask it to give you one video that is highly searched in your niche, and it will do exactly that. With ChatGPT, you are not only coming with endless content ideas, you are actually creating videos your audience want to watch. You can also go ahead and ask it to write a full YouTube script, help you craft optimized titles and descriptions, even suggest catchy thumbnails that stand out. This strategy is working like magic for new creators right now on YouTube. Try it out and you'll thank me later. If this video has been helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that you don't miss on more tips. And before you go, make sure you watch this next YouTube video where I explain what each YouTube upload settings really means. Bye bye.